We're getting the head off this CRV engine. Then we'll be surfacing it in my surfacer. Hey, happy Sunday again. How we doing? Remember this? Let me put the lid on it. Hey, this is good shit. Oh, those are looking good. Look at this. A little bit of this apple juice on there. Have some corn, huh? How about some beans? I think this is ready. Oh, look at that. Whoa, I almost dropped it on the ground. Okay, now we're back inside. Let's pull that head off. Look out here around the back of the block. Through there. Look at under there. Okay, so he's going to surface it. Look who came to visit. The bear's going to knock him over. Those are my grandkids. Should be done. Oh, look at that. Look at those bubbling. Ooh, nice and hot. Here's bears. Look at the smoke ring around it. Are you sitting? Good boy. Here you go. I think he liked it. Let's try a bite of this. Came out great. Here's that head after it went through the wash. David just rebuilt this about 35,000 miles ago. Look at this valve guide. They're ridiculous. Here's the kids' leftovers. You know kids. But they did eat just enough for Grandpa to buy them both the ice cream. They're still out there playing with Bear. David put factory guides in that thing. I do not know why they wore out like they did, but they did. Hey, thanks for coming along. I'll put the link to the part 1 of this Sunday. You guys have a good evening tonight, and be nice to each other. Bye.